How to dispute a charge on PayPal, or how you can dispute your PayPal transaction. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you how you can dispute your transaction if you accidentally sent your money to a wrong person. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now PayPal actually provides you a very easy way to send money to stores and independent sellers. However, if you have an issue with the purchase and contacting the seller directly doesn't work, you will want to dispute the charge, and we will just discuss how we can dispute the charge in some of the ways. Now the quick answer is that to dispute a charge on PayPal, you have to report the problem within 180 days of the transaction in the resolution center, because if it is past that 180 days, you will not be able to dispute the transaction, and you will also have 20 days to settle the dispute with the seller. If you and the seller cannot resolve the dispute, you will have to escalate it within 20 days to get PayPal involved. Now what you have to do is just go ahead and log into your PayPal account and then click on the help button, which you see at the bottom of the menu, and then click on resolution center. As you can see in this page, just go ahead and select the option called resolution center. You still have 180 days to dispute a charge. Once you go to resolution center, on the next page you have to click on report a problem and select the transaction where you want to dispute, and then click continue at the bottom of the page. So as you can see, you have to select the transaction that you want to dispute. So for example, you could have multiple transactions. If you have had multiple transactions, select the one that you exactly want to dispute, and then just click on continue, which is at the bottom of the screen, and then select the type of issue that you want to resolve, which means options include item dispute, report unauthorized activity, and billing issue. For example, if there is an unauthorized activity on a PayPal account, or if there is an item dispute, or if there is a billing issue, which means you send money from here but the seller didn't actually receive it, or anything as such. And once you dispute a charge, you and the seller have 20 days to resolve the problem. And if that doesn't work, you can go back to resolution center as we did earlier and click on the dispute your file and select file a claim, and PayPal will actually get involved, review the case, and then provide a final decision for you. And that's all it takes to dispute a transaction on PayPal. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.